In front of me is Motorola Razr 70 Ultra, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all text correction options. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling all the way down to tap on this section called System. Then select Keyboard, On-Screen Keyboard, and Keyboard. Following that, select this section called Corrections and Suggestions to manage all of those options however you want to. Quick tip, I always recommend to enable Suggestion Strip, which is this option, and then launch your keyboard. That's because with Suggestion Strip enabled, when you click on this gear at the top of your keyboard, you'll get access to keyboard settings right away. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!